Oh, shit. You know, what is that? I would like to get to know if it could be. Yeah. Period, y'all. Welcome back, Shy Tribe. I'm Shy Tribe. It is Tuesday morning. Yes, it's Tuesday morning, y'all. So, today we have a very eventful day. So I gotta jump in the shower real quick, get dressed, and we're headed to Kamaria's school because she has a pep rally today, and she's like in this hype squad or whatever, the little group called Hype Squad. So today is the first performance, so we're gonna make sure we're there. Okay, it's 7:05. Y'all see the time? Y'all can't really see it. But anywho, it's 7:05, y'all. It's time to get ready, so I will get dressed and I will be right back. Y'all were looking real cute, real smooth. So, updates, because I recorded a little bit of it, of my niece. I called it a pep rally, y'all, but the people at the office, they was like, it's not a pep rally. Don't tell me that, because I'm not dressed for a pep rally. Not it. Woo. Whatever it is, baby. Anyways, it was an assembly to figure out who made it to the council, and my niece made it to the council. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, y'all. But anywho, y'all, I'm waiting on my sister to get to my grandma's house. And black folks just be lying. They lie so good. Cause why you ain't here yet? But yeah, we supposed to be going to the casino, y'all. So I'll see y'all when we get there. Well, I'll tune back in with y'all when I get in the car with her, cause she driving. Alright. Y'all would have made it to the casino. And when I tell you, these folks, my sister up here trying to fight somebody for a parking spot. There you go, y'all. I'm ready to eat. It is, shoot, what time is it? Can't even see. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock, people. Yeah, we got a piece on my plate now. She talking about she want cornbread, greens. Don't forget the cornbread with the greens. So that we fixing, y'all. Hold on. Real cutesy, real demure, real fine. Girl, let's see. Okay. Okay, have bun. My bun can do that too.
Yeah, hair cookie can't look like this.
Yeah, I could get one of those like that. A woman can't hear y'all. I hear music. Music louder than that boogie boy. Well, y'all, music, so we sorry. Latte. Doing the regular ones, right?
No, these chargers. This is Rockefeller.
I think I had both of them.
I ain't had no orange with no greens on it. Yeah, got greens and ham on there.
Greens and ham. Greens and ham.
Yeah,
See green
girl.
and ham on there. Lord have mercy.
All right now.
Finna eat them, y'all.
I'm gonna try this small vanilla.
Let's get
It'll be low taste. I really don't like it. For real. It's not really my forte.
what?
The elote.
Elote.
Yeah.
Burgers. Hot sauce.
Can't can't forget the lime or the lemon, whichever one you prefer.
The
Really
lemon,
don't matter.
okay? Your lemon. So I'm not trying that.
It really don't matter.
I'm gonna try her first.
They gave us a little fork this time.
Okay, hello, Tanya. Let's see what it's hitting on. Let's
See,
see.
open the cracker. Can you pass me the hot sauce?
See y'all, this elote.
Hot sauce.
Not bad.
Do we want to put some hot sauce? Yeah, we want to put some hot sauce on the greens. Why not? I just ain't put no lime.
That was good. It's really different, y'all. I ain't put no
lemon
lemon on it.
elote.
Yeah, I like the elote. This elote. Let's see if the lemon make a difference.
Let's see.
Don't need it. It's good though. I like it. Which one you like?
I'm trying to.
It's good, y'all. Alright.
Rock in there.
I put a little juice on it.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I like the corn with the oyster. And this the part I thought I wasn't gonna like.
Very cute, very different. Okay, yeah.
We got slice the wrist a little bit though.
Ooh. Tell you what, they hot. Very good. Okay.
See, I already got myself sealed up and clean. Let me try the greens next. See what the greens eat now.
Greens. Right.
You got it? Or she's cooked perfect. Can I show you?
Yep.
Just scoop it out like that. It's perfect.
Shake it up. Yeah, I don't think she shook it up. Don't say nothing get. A little bit of that. Gotta set it up right now, y'all. Squeeze that juice on it. Show y'all. Gotta squeeze that juice. Y'all see that? Alright, let's be good. She over here slurping and sliding everywhere.
You know, I want to taste the juice too. Well, I'm not saying no, so I'm going to say no.
What made y'all choose this flavor? Let me know in the comments.
You got to taste the whole thing?
And y'all was experimenting. What made y'all do that? Who picked that one? I don't know if I'm your friend.
You don't like it?
It ain't the best, but it ain't nasty.
Oh my gosh, I actually like that one better than I like the corn one.
Nah. I don't know about that. It's not nasty though.
And of course, the regular char.
Regular, regular, smegular. I don't know if I'm a fan of that one, y'all. Alright. I don't think I'm gonna run after that one. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's good, but I ain't finna run. I ain't finna be my feet behind it. You get what I'm saying?
It's crazy.
Nope. You don't like it?
I do not like the char.
You come out there?
Yeah, I don't like this.
I'm dancing, y'all.
So you say you don't like green? This one got at least green on it. It's more oyster. Yeah, we gotta go to the house and cook some. Nigga hungry. It's an appetizer for real.
Yeah, we finna stop and get some.
No, we not.
Nothing need to go on in the kitchen tonight.
Girl.
Alright, bring it. Now, look at the time. We finna stop and get some.
What we finna get something from?
Brown sauce, ew.
Get a little bit of that one too.
Ew. I don't know.
Pepper sauce.
What you wanna get?
You must be paying for it.
I will. I don't want that heavy though. I don't know what I want. I don't want nothing. I got a sauce soup. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, nice thing.
Girl, I know they want you.
Sorry, y'all.
Oh, good.
This is just good. I don't see how you don't like it with them.
It's not horrible, but it ain't my favorite.
This is just amazing to me.
It's not my fave, you guys.
It's for your channel.
Yeah. Why, you can still talk on it. We like people.
No, I wouldn't say because of that.
Y'all leaving comes down below if y'all like her. I might keep her around if y'all say yeah.
Okay, y'all don't like me or not.
Oh,
How about that?
that's crazy then. Excuse them. Excuse y'all.
Y'all shy barbs. Killing it in back shot.
Excuse us on y'all.
I like that name. The shy barbs.
We might stick with it, you know.
Oh, shit.
You know, where it
What
was.
was that? Y'all excuse me, I'm a little hood.
Yeah, low
I'll
steak
buy-
my favorite one.
I'm about to get a swing. I think I like the Rockefeller for this.
I thought you just said you didn't like it.
The Rockefeller?
Yeah.
The Rockefeller one with the greens on it.
No.
Yes, it is.
Oh. My
The
bad.
elote is my second, and that's just char.
I know it. Real good, y'all.
Yeah. This would be second.
Real cute.
The Rockefeller good.
God darn it. What's over here?
Do you have cash?
No.
I was supposed to leave too.
I feel neglected anyway. I'm just be honest, y'all. I feel real neglected.
You know, I told me to be in the way. Everything we not going to, so they tell me.
Real?
Let me see this over. I think I like the lime.
You came back
Oh,
again.
yes. What the heck is that?
Good.
They're
They're
good.
really big, like moth or like a hummingbird or something.
Okay.
You also doing okay?
Yes, we're doing pretty good. Can we get a ticket, please? Thank you. I think I like the lime.
I'm gonna try the lime.
I think I like the lime better with the oysters instead of the lemon. It has like a bolder taste to it.
Last one, y'all. So sad to see them go.
Y'all want to bite of mine? Since you can get y'all. Here y'all
I
go.
did.
Here y'all go. Now look at my needles. Don't let that word.
Look at mine though. Yep. Mm-hmm. Oh, there go mine. Gone. What's going on, y'all? Grandma not mad. Grandma just hurt. I'm hurt. I'm hurt. I'm hurt, y'all.
Y'all, that was pretty good. No lie.
There's some of the kids that did.
Some not so ready to school. Next time we just gonna have to get two plates. I'm tired of sharing with you.
I mean, 2 days.
2 plates of oysters.
That girl said 2 plates instead of 2 days, y'all.
2 plates of oysters.
2 days.
You don't gotta correct me. I see what I see. Not like how I see it.
I don't like how they laid it up.
Trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then